How to create a new group in WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view the chat list. Then, tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Select the option New Group from this page. Tap on the circles right beside the names to select multiple contacts. Once you're done selecting, tap on the next button at the top right corner of your screen. Then, you'll be taken to this page. From here, you need to type a group name. After that, hit the Create button at the top right corner. There you go. You just created a WhatsApp group. You can share messages, files, photos together in this group chat and also add new members as well. So, by following these steps, you can create a new group in WhatsApp.